Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Cisco Wi-Fi router. First, carefully unpack your new router and all its accessories. Next, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into an electrical outlet. Then, find the Ethernet cable and connect one end to the router's internet port, which is often labeled WAN or with a globe icon. Now, take the other end of that Ethernet cable and connect it to your modem's LAN port. It's crucial to ensure your modem is already powered on and working properly. After connecting, observe your router's indicator lights. You'll want to see the internet light become solid, which usually means it's successfully connected and ready to go. To access your router settings, connect a computer directly to one of the router's LAN ports using another Ethernet cable. Once connected, open any web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type in the router's default IP address. This is commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Upon reaching the login page, enter the default username and password, which are typically printed on a sticker on your router. For security, it is vital to change the default administrator password right away. Finally, configure your Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and create a strong, unique password for your wireless network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.